Meaning of en masse.
En masse.
En masse.
En masse.
En masse. En masse means in a group or all together. It refers to the action of people or things acting collectively and simultaneously. For example, if a large group of employees were to quit their jobs en masse, it would mean that they all resigned at the same time in a unified manner. The term is often used to describe the behavior of crowds or large organizations. En masse actions can be powerful and impactful, as they demonstrate mass solidarity and a shared commitment to a cause or objective.